Hi, Dalton here with US Steam, and today I'm going to show you how to clean a mirror with a steam vacuum. You can also use a steamer as well. I'll go over some of those different things, but we're going to use the large extraction nozzle with the squeegee brush combo. So we're going to go right to the hose handle. We're going to attach like this, and the key here is to use steam and vacuum simultaneous. We're going to always reach and pull, which is the method you apply with all the steam vacuum attachments. That's going to allow the vacuum to actually suck back into the system and clean up that mess. So what this is going to do is help remove any of the oils and or buildup over time, soap scum, things like that, as well as when you use window cleaner or mirror cleaner, it's going to remove that. So it's going to give you a nice clean surface. So we're going to start with vacuum and steam. So vacuum on, steamer, and we're going to steam away. So the key here is to get it nice and warm. And I've got the trigger pulled for steam. And now I'm going to let off. And I'm simply going to try to vacuum up using a squeegee. Sometimes a cross pattern will help too. Kind of get through those pores, really get rid of the mess. Now you can see we're getting a lot of smudges, and what that's coming from is the actual chemical cleaner and the heat combined. It's going to create a little bit of a surface. So what we have to do is go a little bit longer, go a little bit slower, and that's going to really open the pores of that mirror and really help clean it, bring it back to that nice, clean, fresh look. So I'll kind of show you just this area here. Now you can see we got a lot more visual, a lot clearer. And this process applies to windows, any type of hard surface like this. So the big thing here is going to be taking the time to actually squeegee the surface. And you can see we have a little bit of mess. So what I'll do in this case is I'll continue to go over that. The first time is always the slowest, right? Because again, we're pushing those chemicals to the surface. So the key here is to go slow, be patient, and then after that first time, it becomes a lot easier to maintain.